Across America right now, nearly 200 million people are feeling the grip of extreme cold. One woman called into a news station with a question millions are quietly asking. The temperature is 0. Pipes are freezing. Schools are closed. There's 9 inches of snow outside. And get this, the kids' laundry is piling up. She then asked, will washing clothes right now damage my pipes? Should I wait for warmer weather, or is there a safe way to do it? In extreme freezing conditions, running your washing machine can be risky, but manageable if your indoor plumbing isn't frozen. First, frozen drain lines. Even if water fills your washer, frozen drains can cause it to back up and flood your home. Second, machine damage. When water freezes, it expands, cracking hoses, valves, and pumps, leading to leaks when things finally thaw. If your neighbors are already reporting frozen pipes, the safest option is to wait, unless you can properly warm your plumbing. If you must do laundry, follow these 5 steps to reduce the risk. Open cabinet doors and utility room doors to let warm air reach the pipes. If your washer is near an outside wall, pull it forward. Before loading clothes, run a short test cycle. Make sure water flows freely. Choose warm, or the hot settings to keep hoses and internal parts from freezing. Stay nearby during the first drain cycle. If water backs up, stop the machine immediately. Once the washing cycle starts, keep going. Constant warm water helps prevent freezing inside the pipes. Important news flash. If your washer is in an unheated garage or basement, don't run it until the space is warmed to at least 40 to 50 degrees. Keep those faucets dripping. Stay safe, stay warm, and protect your home. One smart choice at a time. We out.